Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are gonna do the difference in the sound of A and U. Most of the student get confused in this. They think like, is it a sound or U sound? So what you need to do first is read the words together that has difference of only A and U, like but, b, a, t, but, and bat, b, a, t, bat. Now read them together like but, bat, but, bat. So it will make easy for the kids to understand. So difference in the sound is a, at, and a, at, a, and a, u, a, and for a is a. Now you can do for the other words like cut, cat, hut, hat, a and a, some, Sam, fun, fan, mud, mad, bug, bag, a. In the end, you can tell kid to do the exercise for the same. What you need to do for that, write down all the words like run and ran, and just say one word and tell the kid to circle that word. Like you have written run and ran, just say one word run and they will circle it. So this is the exercise worksheet, and these are the similar words having the difference of U and A. So we need to say only one out of these two and the kid will circle them. So first, like bat, cut, a, hut, cab, mud, bad, Sam, bug, fan, bun, ran, cap, tub. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.